Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. As you know, we love Can-Am. It's been nice to become a Can-Am dealer and learn their products and accessories. One of the things I'm super excited about is the link system from Can-Am. You're able to put a whole lot of product on your machine without tying it down. So let's talk a little bit about how it works. Here you're looking at a 2021 Can-Am Trail 1000. We've just installed the all-terrain cargo box on the back. What we love about this, it fills in that whole trunk area. It's got a really good look to it, sills up great. All you're gonna do is you've got these rubber bumpers down here, or tabs. You're gonna undo those. Yes, I'm doing this with one hand. That's how easy it is. It is shock assisted and will hold in the upright position. You're utilizing your entire bed space now with that cover. It's got a nice tight sill on there. You can already see the sill making its imprint along that bed. It's probably the best silling bulb I've ever seen on any type of trunk accessory like this. And to go with it, I mentioned the link system earlier. Here is the cooler box, utilizing no straps, but just the link system. How does it work? You simply come on over here, you flip the blue lever, and the whole cooler box comes right off. Pull out your lunch, take it to the campfire or whatever you need to do. What does the link system look like? You're gonna simply install the base mounting kit. You can literally put this anywhere you can drill a hole, you guys, as long as your spacing works out. On this cover, it already had the indents where we needed to install these, so there's no way you're gonna actually mess up. This does also have the rear Can-Am window on it, the roof as well, and the front brush guard. Very nice, good quality products from Can-Am. We're super excited to get out and start using these products. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great weekend, everybody.